and today we are back with another train sim video, or should I say our first train sim video. And today we will be playing it on the Isle of Wight, but we will be making a scenario called, what should we call it? Vid 1. Okay, there we are. So we got our name, Video 1, or Vid 1. So where do we want to start? Let's just start here. I'm not too familiar with this one. Right, there we are. We'll take it to there, and then we'll make it stop everywhere. Boom. Okay. That is what you call success. Okay, we've only got one train. I think they're all the same, actually. We'll name this Vid 1 again. And then we have to put it as a passenger service on that, otherwise it won't work. So this service is going to start at 10:10. I think it's just a nice number. So now if we come off, there we are. We're shown with it, and we're going to start. So if you haven't already, leave a like and subscribe to me, Evans Gamer, to see more videos. And that is a cool train. Imagine that driving in all the snow. That'd be nice. Alright, well, we're just waiting for it to load. Okay, we're here. So, first we need to do... Excuse me. That's defining physics. Okay. First we gotta do that. And then we gotta flick this. And then we've gotta push this down. And we gotta push this to forward one. And then we gotta open the doors. And I want to show you guys something cool. I'm not sure if I'll be able to take it again, but this is pretty nice. And when we get to a certain station, I know it's on one of the other stations, I will show you. And first thing, here's a route map. Look at it. It's ice creams, and I've eaten two. Look at it. So this is actually on a pier. That's what I find quite cool. And what's even better is I've actually been here, but not on the pier. So it's a really nice place. We'll be stopping at one stop that I actually know. And I hope you guys do enjoy. This is going to be fun because I do enjoy driving these types of trains. And it's really old as well. So that's just going to make it much as well cool. So if you haven't already, leave a like and subscribe. Alright, we're going to put this in forward 2. Look at it. Oh, this is nice. This is like cool. This bit doesn't look a bit safe, but the train track does because it looks reinforced and a bit new. Like, this is all there. This is a real place in England. I think it's in England. I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, we're gonna come around here and just have a quick look at the train, number 05. Oh, going too fast there. There I am in that train. Right, we're back in here. Listen to the horn. It's an actual whistle. How cool is that? Still going over the speed limit. I'm not the best driver at the moment. Put this on hold to start braking. Okay, maybe we need a bit more brake force. Okay, there we are. And here we are. Look at that. Ooh, you know what this means? Everyone knows what this means. We must get out of the train and take ourselves to ice creams. goodness, I'm greedy. I've taken so many ice creams. It's unbelievable. There's not gonna be any left for any of the people, for any of the commuters or citizens. And you can actually walk out this bit, but you can't go too far. And this road just looks nice. And if you've ever been here, it is actually quite realistic. This is all here. So I think that's quite cool, how it is literally based, even the roads are realistic on Train Sim World. So that's nice. And hold on, was this train even in the platform? Okay, the back of it wasn't, but we'll just forget about that. Got a green light. Is it going to turn red? Okay, it's not going to turn red, but I've heard that not many trains run around this because it is only a small route. I'll show you guys on the map now. It isn't the biggest of routes, but it's still quite long. So it's not bad. And you won't be going really fast. Graffiti. So if you do buy this one, I wouldn't expect to be going like 100 miles per hour. There's yards. Blow the horn. Oh, I can kind of see. I saw a glimpse of light, just a little bit of light. Okay. Oh, there's the end of the tunnel. There's always light after darkness. Ah, okay, I had it on hold while I was going. Okay, that makes sense. That's the reason why it wasn't, like, going very fast. Look, that's an old signal. They're quite cool. How they've even got the old signals in. Way too fast, I've just noticed that. I was having too much fun with the outer cameras. Alright, let's get ready for this stop. There we go, a little siding over there. Alright, if we start a brake, we should make it into the station. Okay. Yep, and I saw something very appetizing over the other station, so we gotta run. We gotta run. And look at this. More ice cream. Yum, yum, yum. Lovely, lovely ice cream. It's just cool how they even added the ice creams, because I honestly like that, because you could just stop, run over to the other station, grab an ice cream, and then just be on your way. So we're waiting in the station. Look at this. This is really cool. I didn't notice this before. This is a signal box. Oh, time to lock the doors. Right, let's get going. Oh, I forgot the brake's still on. Okay, there we are. We can actually pull down the window. Oh yeah, let some breeze in. Let's turn on my lights. It's somewhere up here. Cab light. Oh yes, okay, we've got the cab light on. There's a fan up there. Dials or gauges, should I say? Are very good at those. Massive release thing. Fire extinguisher. That could come in handy. If I crash the train. Oh. Okay, we're gonna go faster now. But another old signal. I just love the Isle of Wight. This coast bit in the game. It just looks so good. and there's a lot to do, and I've just noticed there is a double coach. You don't usually see that. They usually run the 2 coach, but today we've decided to run a double one, so it must be a big screen. Okay, we've got a green light. So now we are coming into the station. Better just letting me breeze in. Minimum brake force. Hold. Minimum. And there we are. Is there any ice creams on this station? Do you know what? There's no ice creams on this station. I don't get a free snack. Small book. Wait, is that book? Brook. Okay, I already said something wrong. What's over here? Tickets. Hold on. Excuse me. That's train line. I should be allowed over there. I can't adventure over there, I guess. So, nearly there? Okay, boom. Listen to that beeping, that sounds nice. I don't know why, but it just sounds nice. Alright, here's like some outside shots of the train. It's quite old. Actually, it's very old. I honestly like it, it's very noisy. Today we got a double cut, as I said. We don't usually see those. Well, I don't think we do. And we have all of this, and the beautiful colours on it are red, white, yellow, blue, and silver if you count the top. They all just look nice. And I had the brakes on again. I am such an idiot. Okay. There I am. I don't look very happy with myself. Okay. 40, the 1.1 miles in 40 I can't say it, 40 miles per hour in 1.1 miles. Okay. I finally got the words out of my mouth. Alright, we are about to pull into the station. Actually, no, we're not. We're 2 miles away. So we're nowhere near the station. Look at the seats. Does that just tell you something? That's an annoying noise. It's funny though. Just flipping your seat up and down. There's no seat over there. Okay. Hold on, what does that do? Nothing? Okay. That's fine. We're 1.7 miles away. Very close. But you can open the door. Okay, we're gonna keep that closed because of safety regulations. Even though it would be nice with a bit more of a breeze, where we got that. That's what the windows are for. Alright, that's the full power. 3? Notch 3? Okay. Alright. I'm doing a bit over the speed limit, so I'm gonna brake. Whoa. Okay, I wasn't. I was too busy looking at how fast I was going and some other stuff, and then suddenly you went all the way up. I forgot about the 40 mph. Okay. These controls are just. They look old, but they look so shiny and like so good as well. It's just. I just love old trains. They all look so nice. I'm just gonna carry on playing trains. Oh, trees. Oh, we're coming into the station. Brake. Brake. Okay. I think that's a reasonable rate to be coming into a station at. This must be a big station. Oh, steps. Warn people. What does a W mean? I'm not that advanced. I don't know what the W means. I guess it means whistle. That's just the first thing that came to me. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Okay. Is there a sneaky snack for me? On this station? Yes, there is. Okay. Run, run, run. Go. I'm running as fast as I can. Ah. I just had a chocolate and strawberry, I want to say. Ice cream. Okay, we're coming here. Sitting back down. Perfect timing. Locking all the doors. Oh, wait, turn all the brakes off. There we are. Listen how loud it is. There is something sad though, is that in the Isle of Wight now, they don't have these trains. They've just put they've just updated them. So sadly, I don't think these run anymore. But you can drive them in Train Sim World, so that's a plus. And I think you would be able to buy one for your train set if you looked hard enough or went online. Two 005 1.4 miles. Let's do this. I find that there's quite a few walking paths where you can walk across the tracks. It must be like popular to go over there then. Look at those fields. I don't know, I can't tell what they are. I think that's corn. I want to say corn. There we are. Whistled. Whoa. Okay. Oh, that's weird. My camera's just gone really weird. Okay, now it's sorted. There was like a barrier between me and the train. It was really weird. Okay. On this, when we get to the station, I'll inform us on our map to see how much further we have to go until our final stop. Because I want to say we stopped about 5 times, maybe 4. I haven't been counting the stops. So we're pulling into the station. I see it in the sights. Right over there. But there is something that you have to remember with these trains, is that this is the way of for commuters to get around of the Isle of Wight. And they were getting quite old. So look, another ice cream stand. Oh, and another ice cream stand. You can have 2 in each station. Oh, that's not. Wait, it's carrying on. Checker gets in the station. Hold it. Okay, let's see how far we got. Okay, we haven't got too far. Let's count the stops. We've got 1, 2. Oh, okay, we've only got 1. So I've better go collect those ice creams. Ice cream, where are you? Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Okay, I gotta go. Route map. I found you, route map. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Where's this? Sandown. That is the place that we are at. Oh, I'm about to be late for my train. Run, run, run as fast as you can. There's a route map there, so I'm gonna get that first. My guy just must be like really hungry today because he's had like 1 billion ice creams. Right, I better just put it in shunt mode because I don't want to go over the speed limit. This is how quiet it is. And then that guy did a whistle. I think that's what the W means for. I'm not entirely sure, so I'm just going to do a quick whistle there. We're 06 miles until our destination. Oh yes, this is what I call speed now. Now we're going to reset it. Okay. Just listen to the clicker-clacker. I find that's a nice noise as well. I don't know why. Does anyone else find that a nice noise? Okay, my train's going quite slow. But we are heading into the station very soon. I think in 1.4 miles is where our final stop is. This has gone quite quickly. Well, it is a short route. But it is a lot of fun. This is a lot of fun. I really do enjoy doing this. Because even bus sim videos, the bus sim videos are a lot of fun. Because I played that with Daddy-O. I think I see an ice cream. Yep, I definitely. Oh goodness. That's not very good. Oh yeah, and something else that you may not have known that I'm going to show you because there hasn't been any on of any other station. We're gonna unlock that door. So, oh, I'm stuck. See this cat? Where's the camera? See the camera? We take a photo. Look, there is the photo. How lovely. Who put an ice cream cart all the way down here? I don't know, but it's good for me. Because no one's taken my ice creams. Okay, there we are. Get on board. All aboard. Are you gonna get on my train? Are you gonna get on my train? You're gonna be on my train? These people are getting on my train. Oh, unlock the doors. Didn't notice that. Time to say goodbye to the camera. And that beautiful photo I just took. No. I don't know if I've missed any ice cream carts. There's 7, so in the next station on the final station, in about 1 minute, I'm gonna have to run all the way around and find all the ice cream carts. And this isn't a small station. Or I don't think it is, at least. Because it is the terminal. Well, actually, it's only 1 station. I might have missed a bit. I really hope there's just 3 in a row. Do a little whistle to tell people that I'm coming. Look at the train. It just looks really nice. There, that's where we're going. Shanklin. Toot toot. We are getting ever so close. We'll go all the rails. So this has been a very fun video to make. Playing Train Sim World, the Isle of Wight line. And even though it was a shorter one, it is a lot of fun because I do enjoy driving like this old train and some old trains. So if you do want to see more of this, leave a like and subscribe. And every person that hits the subscribe button, they donate 1 ice cream to my player. You see this? You see this man right here? Wait. Oh goodness. You donate 1 ice cream to him every time you hit the subscribe button. That means every time you hit the subscribe button, he gets 1 more ice cream. Yeah. So if you're feeling nice, leave a like and subscribe so my guy will get some more ice creams in the future. Please say there's 3 ice cream carts. There's not even going to be 1, is there? Oh goodness, okay, wait, I didn't notice there was an actual buffer. No! Oh my goodness. I have just been a failure. I crashed the train. No. I can't believe that. Oh, that's embarrassing. Can we just say I made it? Can we just leave it as that? Oh my god, that's so embarrassing. I can't believe I just did that. Oh my god. Okay. Anyway, if you did enjoy, leave a like and subscribe to me, Evans Gamer. And see you all in another video. Bye-bye.